Right, guys, taking from our previous discussion, I think we agreed that the inverse of a 2 by 2, which we had arrived at, could be arrived at via this kind of a formula. A inverse is equal to 1 over the determinant. Again, there you see why the determinant mustn't be 0, because you can't divide by 0 in here. Determinant, sorry, I'm not right here. 1 over the determinant of A multiplied by the adjoint of A. Altogether. So now, the most important thing now is how do we get, we have to discuss how do we get the adjoint of A. We are just going over the process which we briefly saw there. Now, here. Now let's start by saying here, minus. Now remember, these minus with determinants, isn't it? Okay, let's start by A11. Now, we said if you want A11, we must actually drop this row and drop this column altogether. Now, my line there is not very good. I think in dropping, let me put it this way, so that you don't see the entries, otherwise they'll confuse you, isn't it? Then here, let me put it this way. So I'm dropping those things. What am I left with? I'm left with this minor matrix. Then what we have there is a determinant of 2, 3, 4, 9. Actually, there we don't take that as a matrix. We're calculating a determinant. And then what that's equal to? 18 minus 12. What's that? 6. 6. Then we go to A1, 2. In that case now, I'm dropping this. Then you must guess, you must actually not guess, tell me what is remaining there. 1, 1. Is it 1, 1? Are you sure? 1, 3. 1, 9. Don't take any entry which is under the red line, please. Altogether. Okay. Then what is that? 9 minus 3, which is another 6. Altogether. Then next is A 1, 3. Now in this case, I'll move this thing always because it's the first day. People must really experience what it is, isn't it? Yeah, so don't forget what you're seeing. What are you seeing there? What? 1, 2, 1, 4. Then our determinant there is what? 2. Okay. Let me come here and say now A 2, 1. I'll just put a semicolon there to separate. Then A21, which line must move now? The horizontal, all of them must move. Ne? Then we go, I'm picking the wrong thing. Right. Then, let's move. What do you have there now? You don't need to understand this. You seem to see how it's done, isn't it? So you don't waste your understanding now. Yeah. What do you get there? 5. Then here you get A 2, 2. 8 to 2, what do you need to do now? Which lines needs to move now? Then we move this way. Then we count, we talk about what is outside those lines. I see 1, am I right? I see 1, am I right? What do I see there? 1 here, 9, okay? Then what is that? 8. Then let's come here. What 2 is here? 2 what? What is this? 2, 3. This way, isn't it? What do we see now? 1, 1, 1, 4. Please don't write that like 11 and 14. You mustn't write that at 11 and 14. We have a problem there. What's that? 3, isn't it? Okay. Then let's come to the last session of this thing now. This is A, 3, 1. I'll write everything. A, 3, 2. A, 3, 3. Volunteer, give me this. Sorry? 1, 1, 2, 3. Are you sure? No. 2, 3, 4, 9. This is A, 3, 1. Which means, why now? I'm just testing whether you follow what I'm doing. That's why I didn't move this line. See whether you can see it without moving line. There's 3. Is that right? Are you following? Okay. Then this 1, 1, 2, 3. What is this one? What? You must see it without even moving the thing now. Yeah. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 3. Then come here. What's that? 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 1, 2. I hope everybody's getting into the tune of this thing, isn't it? Yeah. Then let's get the determinant here. 1, isn't it? And here, 2. Here, 1. Are we together, guys? Okay. So I think these lines now, we can do away with them. Okay. Now let's come to the next step of this thing. Now we need what you call core factors. What I'm going to show you here, I'm going to show you how we get core factors. Now for core factors, I'm going to use C. I'm going to use C11, which is going to be minus 1 power 1 plus 1 multiplied by A11. What is that going to be? 6. So then C12, I'm not going to move faster. We know it's going to be minus 1 power 1 plus 2, which is 3. 3 negative signs will give us negative, isn't it? Then we've got a negative 6. Is everybody there? Same page. Then C13. Power 1 plus 3 is a 4. 4 negative signs will give us positive, then this will remain as a 2. Is that fine? Okay, then C21. Again, 2 plus 1, 3. 3 negative signs give us negative. Then we're going to give minus 5 there. And then C22. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 negative signs will give us positive. Then we're going to end up with an 8 there. Then C23 is talking about 5 negative signs. Then gives us negative. Then this is a minus 3. Then after that, we've got C31, which is talking about 4 negative signs, which is positive, then it can give us 1. Then C32, 5 negative signs, this is going to give us negative. And then C33, 6 negative signs will give us positive, then this is a 1. Now, look, this is going to make a row. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. We create a new matrix here, which we saw before briefly on that 2 by 2 system. That matrix is the matrix of the cofactors. It's going to be C1, 1, which is 6, C1, 2, which is minus 6, C1, 3, which is 2, followed by, yes, minus 3. Then 1, minus 2, 1. Right. So then we've got that. The next thing is the adjoint. The adjoint is precisely the transpose of the matrix of the cofactor. What remains constant from C to CT is the diagonal. Isn't it? So you must share. Then this rotates this way, this rotates this way. Then you can see that's going for C, 6 minus 6 and the 2. Then minus 5, 8 and the minus 3. Are we together, guys? Are you sure? My sister, are you there? Okay. Then last one, you can tell me yourself. I don't want to talk. 1 minus 2, 1. Okay. Then we're at the point of getting our, this right here. This is our adjoint of A. That's how we read that notation. Adjoint of A. ADJ in brackets A. So now we're ready to write our inverse of A. Let's write the A inverse equals to 1 over the determinant. Did we calculate the determinant, by the way? We didn't. That was our mistake. But it's 2. Did you calculate it? Did you calculate it? Or if you didn't calculate it, just calculate it. Right. Good. It's good that you didn't calculate it. I'm going to show you now another method of calculating determinant. Let's say, look at this.